There are seasons when nothing looks dramatic on the outside, yet everything is quietly changing on the inside. Your routine stays the same. You wake up, you pray, you work, you rest. No sudden breakthrough, no loud miracle, just a subtle sense that something has shifted, even if you can't explain how. Many people assume God only works through big moments, but Scripture shows that some of His most important work happens quietly before anything becomes visible. If you feel like you're in between chapters right now, not where you were, but not yet where you hope to be, this moment matters more than you realize. Because when God is redirecting a life, He rarely rushes. Often, the first thing He does is slow you down. What once felt easy begins to feel heavy. Plans that once made sense no longer bring peace. Paths you were confident in start to feel uncertain. This isn't punishment, it's alignment. Scripture reminds us, in their hearts, humans plan their course, but the Lord establishes their steps. Proverbs 16:9. When God is establishing your steps, He may gently unsettle the plans you would have chosen on your own. Then comes something quieter and harder to recognize. Certain desires fade, some relationships shift, opportunities you thought you needed fall away. Jesus described this process clearly. Every branch that bears fruit He prunes, that it may bear more fruit. John chapter 15, verse 2. Pruning is not rejection, it is preparation. God removes what limits your growth, even when you don't yet understand what He's making room for. What makes this season difficult is that it doesn't look impressive. There's no applause, no clear milestone, no outward proof. Yet inwardly, something is forming. Your dependence on God deepens, your discernment sharpens. You begin listening more carefully instead of rushing ahead. This is how faith matures, not through noise, but through trust. Scripture shows us that clarity often follows obedience, not the other way around. Abraham didn't receive the full map. He moved first. By faith, Abraham obeyed when he was called to go out to a place he would later receive as his inheritance. Hebrews chapter 11, verse 8. If your life feels quieter than usual, if progress seems slower than expected, don't assume God is absent. Often, He is closer than ever. Before we close, take a quiet moment to reflect. What has God been gently pulling you away from, and what has He been quietly drawing you toward? That question alone can bring clarity. If this reflection resonated, you're welcome to share a word in the comments, not to explain everything, just to acknowledge what you're sensing. And if you value calm, scripture-grounded reflections on subtle signs and quiet growth, this is a place where we explore them regularly. God's direction is not always loud, but it is always intentional. And if you're listening, you may already be closer than you think. Thank you for watching. God bless you.